Dear my subscribers, viewers, and learners, welcome to my YouTube channel AstroAriv. And today in this video, I am going to explain the course outline of lesson number 5 titled as Relationship Among Planets and Bhavas in KP Horoscope. So, this is something that very essential one that any KP astrologer has to know clearly. So, this will be covered in lesson number 5. I will now explain the outline of what I will teach in lesson number 5. All the events happen in our life due to planets. So there is clarity in this natural truth. So we have to understand that the events happen in our life due to the movements of the planets because when we are born, at that time the planets are in particular position, and so that will tell us what are the events that is promised in our life. And the planets naturally exist, so we can see them. They are visible to us. We can see them clearly with our own eyes, and with the help of additional binoculars or whatever, telescopes or whatever it is. But in ancient days, the Siddhas, if you see, they have seen these planets with their own eye in the night sky. So that is one thing that you have to know, that people have already seen it without any additional accessories, and they invented so many things. So due to invention in astronomy and digital technology, man is now deeply searching the outer stellar space, galaxies, for existence of living creatures and all. But if you see, these planets are revolving around the sun in reality. In reality, it is sun is at the center and all the planets are revolving around the sun. But if a human look at them from the air, he will definitely feel that everything in space is revolving around the human earth. So that's what it is. That earth is the center in astrology, earth is the center, and all the planets are going around the earth. That is the feeling that the person who is just lay down on the surface of the earth and look at the sky every day. If you look at the sky, you will know clearly that that is the thing that is happening. Everything in space is revolving, okay, around the earth. That is the feeling that he gets. So at the time of birth, place of birth, the snapshot of the position of these planets decides the fate of the person, the events that will happen in his life. So that is what the thing about the astrology. Now let us see what is that with this background. So this is found, this relationship is found by establishing certain connections from one planet to another planet, as well as from one bhava to another bhava, or bhava and the planet. So there is a connection taking place from bhava to planet. So this is something that we have to understand, because this relationship is very, very important in predicting the events. And I am going to teach in this lesson an amazing concept called relationship among planets and bhavas. The learner will understand what relationships are purely visible in the pure Rasi chart. So just look at the 12 Kalachakra Rasi house chart, and if you just see only the planets without any bhava and other things, so you will understand certain things for which planet is in which Rasi house, and you know the Rasi, you know the other things. So to establish the relationship. And if you see next, if you superimpose the Bhava starting point on the Rasi chart, then you get the KP horoscope, and that will tell us something more than what is answered in the what is found in the first question. So here we will see more relationship that are there in the horoscope. Then there are some hidden horoscopes inside. Some are visible in KP horoscope, some are visible in pure Rasi horoscope, but some are hidden inside the KP horoscope. That is also I am going to teach, and you will learn it. So the learner will understand, appreciate the various levels at which these relationships are established. So that is very, very important that the learner will learn. As a result of the learning, the lesson number 5, the learner will be able to identify the events in KP horoscope. So that is why when you look at the horoscope, you will have to, by looking at the relationship, we have to feel whether that event is promised, and certain things will not be visible to us if you see only a pure Rasi horoscope and if you see only a pure KP horoscope. But the hidden inside will also tell some relationship. So that is why these three things you have to know. So that is what I am going to cover in this lesson. And as usual, you will have the exercises. I will give a demo after these concepts are taught. I will give a demo, and the demo means I will work out an example and show it to you how the relationship are extracted from the analysis. And I will also give some exercises so that you can practice in the class, and hand holding exercises so that you acquire the knowledge from me. So this is what I want to teach in this lesson number 5, which is relationship among planets and Bhava in KP Horoscope. So thank you very much to my listeners. I thank you for subscribing, all the people who have subscribed to my channel, and I also request you to please kindly share it in your social media and inform your friends and relatives also to subscribe to my channel. And please note that those who are subscribed to my channel, they will get one free question answered, and they have to give the correct date of birth, time of birth, place of birth, and the questions after subscribing, and they can take a snapshot of that comments, and they can send it to me to my WhatsApp number, and I will you see the WhatsApp number in the first the beginning of this video. So you can send it to me, or you can also see it in my profile logo below this video. So you can contact me for that. So okay, thank you very much for listening to my video, and see you in the next video.